ADAS is the paramount of safety in current vehicles. It's used to do anything from parking sensors to radar guidance, cruise control, things like that.
A lot of vehicles today can self-park. If the sensors aren't set, they could collide with another car. There's a lot of features that have a safety impact for sure. So it's vital for us to have the capability to put these vehicles back to the manufacturer's specification. The ADAS training, anybody that carries out an ADAS calibration must be a qualified ADAS technician. To achieve that, they need to do a course with practical and a written test, which is quite a strenuous course. There's always a cost involved, but we think the cost is vital to have the right equipment to be able to repair these cars correctly. Our investment is a six-figure sum to get the comprehensive cover of ADAS systems for all of our group, all of our locations. It's important that all the key members of the staff have ADAS awareness. Firstly, to identify what sensors are on a vehicle, and secondly, to identify which one of those sensors are likely to be affected within the repair. We're very fortunate. We've recruited very forward-thinking staff which have embraced it, and we've set that culture really.
It's important that when you calibrate an ADAS system that it is done correctly and safely, because when they take it out on the road, that's where it matters. So when you've got a bit of equipment like this is really the top of the range stuff. This is exactly what we need to do the job safely and correctly.